So today we are going to learn about the classification of elements. And the objectives of this lesson is that we want to classify elements in SPDF notation. Also, we should be able to identify periods and groups. So we say that SPDF, in the periodic table, elements are classified they are in blocks. So we have S block elements, B block elements, D block elements, and F block elements. And we say that S block elements are these elements which have their valence electrons filling the S orbitals, while P block elements are those elements which have their valence electrons filling the P orbital, and D and S orbitals the same. And now, periods in the periodic table are in column form. They are across, while the groups are in the column. Now, I want to use this chart to present, or for you to be able to see now we can see here we have the block at our left side. We have the block at this far end, and then we have the block at the middle, and then we have the lower block. Now we say that S block elements are the ones which are shaded in red. When we have the P block elements are the ones which are shaded in black. And we have our D block elements shaded in unshaded region, while the F block elements are shaded in green. As we can be able to see in our key, we have the S block elements which are shaded in red. We have the P block elements which are shaded in black. Then we have D block, they are shaded region. Then we have the F block elements which are shaded in green. Now, to identify the groups up to group 18. And then the periods in this periodic table. Periods are across, or we say they are horizontal. They are the rows. We say this period 1, we have period 2, period 3, up to period 7. And then now we want also to note that these F block elements are extracted from, we can see we have a box here. These S block elements are extracted from these atomic number 57, which we call it lactanol. But they are extracted and placed under the periodic table to make it more compatible. Now again, we can note that we have this special case of helium, whereby helium is in group 18, but also it is shaded in red. That means it is in S block. Why?
Because because it has 2 electrons in the outer mass energy level.
So, very good. We said that helium has 2 electrons, which are not filled the S orbital to form a stable, and we said that helium is unstable. Yeah, it's forming a duplex configuration. That is why it is placed in a no-point gas row. Any other question?